Hey guys, quick video here about what to do with chapter 1. So you should see the chapter 1 lecture posted there, the PDF file, along with some chapter 1 questions. So normally this is not the way we'll learn chapters. Of course, it's chapter 1 that's different than all of the rest, right? The very first one we do is the one that's a little different. Okay, so chapter 1, it's just a big list of terminology. So typically, right, in a normal chapter, there'll be kind of some description, some problems, and you'll see my hand writing on a page working out the problems, and just kind of follow along and take those notes. But in chapter 1, that's not the case. It's all of these terms and definitions that we're going to see as the class unfolds. So it's really nice to get a preview of all those terms now, and then throughout the course, we're going to see each and every one of those sprinkled throughout all the chapters. So the way we approach this chapter, I'm definitely not gonna like shoot a video of me reading the term and its definition and an example. You wouldn't get anything out of that. You wouldn't absorb any of that. That'd be a terrible way to go about learning these terms and getting familiar with them. Instead, I posted the chapter 1 questions. So take a look at the lecture, take a look at the questions, and just be kind of reading through those terms and connecting them with the questions. So I give a lot of examples in the lecture document of some of the terms. And then I kind of ask over here, okay, this situation, which term would it be? And obviously you'll see it there. And that's a much better way to learn these terms than to just read through them one by one and expect anything to stick. It's just not going to work that way. You might be under the impression, okay, cool, I'll just answer these questions about definitions. How hard could that be? Well, some of them are going to be pretty straightforward, but a lot of them are kind of tricky because you might see two terms and you see their definitions and you're like, oh, well, which one of those would apply here? And it could be this one, it could be that one. No big deal. That's the whole point. Answer as best as you can. Okay, so answer all those questions and bring those answers with you to our class on Thursday. You want to be familiar with all of that already. We're going to have some time at the beginning of class on Thursday to go back and hit some of the harder ones, and I want to see what you guys think it is, and then and we'll see if there's some people think it's this or that, and we'll kind of get to the bottom of it. We're definitely not going to go through all of the questions on Thursday's class, so you want to do that ahead of time, and then we're going to get right in to our chapter 1 lab on Thursday as well. And so another reason to already be familiar with all these terms. Okay, that is all I wanted to say. Good luck with that, and of course, you can come to class a little bit early on Thursday if you want to kind of wrestle a little bit, if you're still wrestling with some of the terms and you want to get an answer to your specific question. Otherwise, I will see you guys there.